Hi everybody, I'm Leslie here from sunny San Clemente, California. And today I'm going to do the tutorial for the line dance, Weren't for the Wind. The music is by Ella Langley. The choreography is by Jeff and Mary Lynn Richards. It is a 32 count 4-wall dance with one restart. So I will turn around and start. You start with the weight on the left leg, and we have a 16 count intro, so you come in when she's already started singing. We're going to step forward on the diagonal with the right leg. We're going to tap the left leg behind it. We're going to step back on that left leg, and we're going to kick the right leg on the diagonal. Then we're going to do a coaster step, which is behind, together, forward. We're going to repeat everything we just did on the left leg. We've got the weight on the right, step on the diagonal with the left, tap the right in, step back on the right, kick the left, and step back, together, forward. So the back, together, forward is called a coaster step. And it's changing feet all the time. If it starts with the right, it goes right, left, right. If it starts with the left, it goes left, right, left. So, with the counts, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, pause 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, pause 8. That's the first 16 counts. Here we go again. We have step, tap, step, kick, behind, together, forward. Step, tap, step, kick, behind, together, forward. And we are going to go on. The next 8 counts. You're going to step to the right. You've got your weight on your left. Step and tap the left in. Now you're going to go over your right shoulder, it's going to go behind, and we're going to face 3 o'clock and take the left foot, step to the side with a quarter of a turn, and tap in the right. We're going to do another quarter of a turn to the right with this right leg stepping to the side and tapping in with the left. And then the last one, we're going to go again with that right shoulder, and we're going to step with the left and tap the right in. And we're now facing 9 o'clock, which is our second wall. So we go right, tap, left, tap, right, tap, left, tap. One more time. To the side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we have got our next wall to do. And we are going to take a step to the side on the right, take the left behind, step to the side on the right, and do a heel. Then we're going to repeat it to the left, only stepping the foot in front on the second beat. Step side, take it in front, take it to the side, and heel. And that's all the counts. And when we start again from the beginning. So, let's take it from after we've just done the last step, tap, we're going to go side, behind, side, heel, side, in front, side, heel. And the counts for that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's take it from the top. We start off on the right leg and diagonal. 1, tap, 2, kick, behind, side, together, front. 1, tap, 2, kick, behind, and together. Step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, side, behind, side, heel, side, in front, side, Nice and easy. With the counts, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 8. Step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. Side, behind, side, heel, side, in front, side, heel. Right, let's do this wall number 2. Ready? Weight on the left leg. And step diagonal, tap, step and a kick behind together forward. Diagonal and tap and kick and behind together forward. Step right and tap, step left and tap, step and tap and step and tap. Side, behind and side, heel, side, in front and side, heel. Going on. Step, tap, step, kick behind together forward. Pause, step, tap, step, kick behind together forward, pause. Right, tap, left, tap, right, tap, left, tap. Side, behind, side, heel, side, in front, side, heel. Going on. Step, tap, step, kick behind together forward. Step, tap, step, kick behind together forward. Step right and a tap and left and a tap and right and a tap and left and a tap. Grab, step behind, step, heel, step in front, step, heel. So we've gone 4 times around each wall. Here's our restart. We're going to start wall number 5 and we only do the first 16 counts, which take us to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is the restart. Step, tap, step, kick behind and forward. Step, tap, step, kick back together forward. That was the restart there. So we repeated it. We actually started wall 6 at 12 o'clock. So I have done a tutorial for it. Went for the wind. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Share it with your friends and comment. And enjoy learning this dance. And thank you, Ella Langley, for your amazing music. Bye, everybody. Mwah.